They will run for this, find the shade and run with pride. Here come our tiny champions from Ola Retro for the shade race. Cycle square. Fire inside. Our smart kids are racing with shapes. I would like to name the participants: Haryansh Abhadya, Aditri Natalia Pratham, Kasha Vedansh, Hidaya Yanni, and last but not the least, LG Shah.